In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move strips in the Wix editor, a crucial skill for anyone looking to customize their website layout more efficiently. So, whether you're giving your site a fresh new look or just rearranging some sections, this process is simple and straightforward. Let's dive in and get your page organized just the way you want it. First things first, you'll want to open the specific page you wish to edit in the Wix editor. This could be any page on your site, whether the home page or an inner page, where you have strips already set up. Once you're there, it's time to locate the strip you want to move. You might need to scroll through the page a little, depending on its length, to find exactly the right strip you're aiming to reposition. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct strip to avoid any accidental misplacement. Once you've located the strip, it's time to select it. Simply click on the strip. When you do this, you'll know it's selected because you'll see a border around it and some controls will appear. These visual cues are Wix's way of indicating that the strip is ready for editing. Now that your strip is selected, you're set to move it. Moving the strip is quite intuitive. Click and hold on the top border of the strip or somewhere in the surrounding margin. This is where the magic happens. With the mouse button still pressed, drag the strip up or down depending on where you want it to be in your current page layout. This may take a little practice, but it's very similar to how you might drag windows around on your computer desktop. You'll notice as you drag, a placeholder line or a spacing suggestion will appear. This is Wix's way of helping you visualize where the strip will land once you release the mouse button. These guides are incredibly useful as they ensure that your strips are perfectly aligned and that your page maintains a clean, professional look. And that's really all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily move strips around on any page within the Wix editor. Remember, feeling comfortable and confident in rearranging your page elements not only enhances your site's aesthetic appeal, but can also improve the user experience for your visitors. So keep experimenting. And don't hesitate to try different layouts until you find the perfect arrangement that suits your site's purpose and your design vision. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy editing!